How are we doing? Next quick combination. Don't know what number I'm on. I haven't been counting. I'll figure out when I edit all the videos. This one is more about distancing and hands. It's specific to us because I'm going to do it as a back fist punch, as in back fist to head with my front hand, reverse punch with my back hand, and then we're going to do a peel out round kick. Obviously, if people see this that are not, or don't use back fist and they're all jab crosses, it can be changed really quick. You can go jab crossing and this peel out I'm going to do. Okay, change up the hands. You can even think about changing that first one rather than a back fist. You can think about a ridge, or if you're more of a kickboxer side, you can think about a hook. And it doesn't matter, but you need two hand techniques from hand, from hand technique range. Okay, I'm not doing this. Okay, close in, you're doing hand techniques, and then we'll do this kick. Okay, now the peel out kick I'm going to talk about, it's footwork. Okay, so it's a bit more complicated. Okay, it doesn't go 1, 2, lean. Okay, that's a nice simple one. I'll do that probably in the next video. Okay, 1, 2, and just a simple lean. What I want you to do is you're going to do a peel kick, i.e. you're going to get foot first, so it buys you range. Okay, and you can work it two ways. If you're working it in the air, it doesn't matter. Okay, but if you're working on a bag or with a partner, I want you to think about being really close. Okay, so from here, you've kind of come in a bit too close. You're kind of glove to glove. Okay, and your hand techniques are a bit shallow. Okay, now what would be a really reasonable idea would be to move out of range to come back in. The only problem is as soon as you make a move out of range, if they're faster than you, they're going to clip you with something. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to give them something a little bit scrappy while I'm close to keep them occupied, so that my peel out kick is going to work at its best. Okay, so you can imagine you've done some stuff, whatever it was, and I'm close. Okay, I'm going to stick this cheeky back fist here, just sneaking around the outside of their guard, or pulling their guard up, doesn't matter. Okay, and then a cheek punch underneath. Here, okay, into the body, reverse punch. Okay, with my hands up, I'm going to go 1, 2. At the point I go 2, I want to shoot my back foot. Okay, I'm going to go 1, 2. Okay, it's almost like I'm trying to drop into a stance for that punch. Okay, but I'm ready with this foot, especially my heel, to be pushing off. Okay, this is why it's a complex drill in terms of footwork. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to be here. I'm going to go 1, 2, and a round kick on my way out. Okay, but it's about starting close. I wouldn't go in and do this combination. I wouldn't walk to here and then do a close combination to peel out. Yeah, I'm just going to get smacked to the wall there as I go in. Okay, it's once I've done something. So take an example if you've been watching these. Combination number whatever, 5 I think it was. Round kick, side kick. Okay, if that doesn't quite go to plan, and I end up here, this is where I'd use the combination we're doing today. 1, 2, and then you round kick on the way out. But that back foot moves on my punch, not separately. If I'm here and I go 1, 2, they can see what I'm doing. Okay, the hands are to distract them from this foot motion. Okay, so whatever's happened, it's probably gone wrong. I've ended up too close. Now I'm here, bam, bam, shoot that back foot and lean. Okay, I just push up and flick that kick in on my way out. It's a defensive combination. Okay, I'll do a couple of times real quick. We go 1, 2, here. Okay, there. Okay, I'll do one more. Okay, it's just to create a little bit of space and keep them busy. Once I'm back out after that round kick, I can reevaluate and think about what's next. I can go back to combinations that I know. I can think about moving out. I've done that round kick, landed. I can land off centre. Shooting a bigger technique if that's your game. Yeah, loads of options. But I'm buying myself space and time. Once I'm in a position that I don't like, and I'm in a position that I might like a little bit better, and I can reevaluate and do whatever is coming next. Okay, that's the one for today. Close in, back fist, shallow punch as I move my foot, and then a lean away round kick. Balance one. Okay, have fun, enjoy, and then we'll move on.